71% of the Earth is covered by water. Traveling in coastal regions with few connectivity options is not easy. Multiple transfers and lengthy boat rides require a huge amount of time and resources. Meet the AirFish. Faster than a ferry or speedboat, greener than a seaplane, and more comfortable than a helicopter. The AirFish travels at 90 knots. It can connect people, coastal communities, and logistics supply chains effectively and efficiently. Maintainability, dependability, extraordinary ability. This is our journey of discovery.
The AirFish 8 is a wing and ground craft, a WIG craft, what we call it. This technology is special because it's able to really redefine maritime transport. This allows tourists to spend more time at the resort enjoying themselves, instead of spending up to 3 times longer on a traditional speedboat. It flies above the water surface. It does not touch any waves, and passengers do not feel any bumps that you would have with other high-speed marine craft. And it's also secure because we are much less affected by any turbulence that might affect other craft. The AirFish utilizes the ground effect, so it increases the lift-to-drag ratio by having an air cushion underneath the wing and also preventing wingtip vortices. So the AirFish is swift, it's a lot faster than other marine craft. It uses very simple parts, it uses an automotive engine which is very simple to use, uses gasoline which is simple to obtain. It's very safe because by design it is stable in ground effect. It's sustainable because of the increased efficiency in ground effect and reduces our energy consumption.
The AirFish 8 was surprising in how well it flies and how smooth it flies. It's obviously flying in the ground effect, which is very close to the water. And I think that sort of cushions all of the turbulence that you might get in an aircraft. So the passenger is going to get a very, very smooth flight.
There were a few prototypes in Germany, like a X114, X113. That was mostly one-seaters. There was an AirFish 3, that was essentially a 2-seater craft. And the AirFish 8 now is an 8-seater craft, which is now the product we want to commercialize. And it can be used for passenger transport, logistical operations, or also military or paramilitary operations, such as medical evacuation or search and rescue. We are connecting previously unconnected communities. This high-speed craft really allows to reach destinations that were previously not reachable and make it commercially viable. And that's how we redefine marine transport for good.